Chapter 6, Physical and Chemical Changes. So first topic is change. How can we define change? When one or more properties of a substance become different, we say that a change has taken place in it. It means a substance becomes different from its original state. If a substance is there, may it be solid, it is a liquid, after some time its state, its size, its shape has changed. Now it does not looks like the original substance. पहले जैसा substance वो दिखता था, अब वो वैसा नहीं दिख रहा. Then what will you say? That a change has taken place. It will be more clear with the help of an example. We take ice. We keep it for some time at a room temperature. After some time, what will happen? The ice will melt into water. Here the form of ice is changed. Ice which was earlier solid, now it has changed to liquid. Now these changes cannot occur on their own. अपने आप नहीं हो जाते ये changes. There might be something which is causing this change, and that something is heat here. So every time, for every change, there is a reason, there is a cause due to which the change is taking place. So the next topic is types of changes. So there are two types of changes. One is the physical change, other is the chemical change. Today we are going to study about the physical change. So to know about the physical change, I would like to tell you about the physical properties first. What is the physical nature or the physical property? Only then you can understand how the physical change occurs. So first of all, what are the physical properties? Physical properties of a substance are its state. It is solid, liquid or gaseous. Size, big, small. Shape, rectangular, circular, or color, red, blue, green, orange. So these are the physical properties of a substance. So when these properties are changed, we say that a physical change has taken place. When there is change in the state, size, shape or color of a substance, we can say that physical change has taken place. In physical change, no new substances are formed. This is very important point of the physical change, that during changing no new substances are formed. So this is the physical change. In physical change, there is change in the physical properties. Only the physical properties. What are the physical properties? Size, state, shape as well as the color. When these changes, the physical changes occur. Because these changes, no new substances are formed. So these are also termed as the temporary changes. These changes occur for a small duration of time and these changes can be reversed. इनको आप वापस कर सकते हैं. For example, ice. When it is given heat, it melts. It forms water. Whereas water, when it is supplied with freezing temperature, low temperature, then it turns into ice. So this reaction is reversible. This is only a temporary change. So very little energy, heat, etc. is either absorbed or evolved in this process. या तो absorb होगी या release होगी. So little energy change is there. Little change in the state, size, shape or color of the substance is there. And these are termed as the temporary changes. इन changes को reverse भी किया जा सकता है. So these are the physical changes. This topic will be more clear with the help of an example. For example, cutting of paper. When you cut a paper, the paper, and then you get a pieces of paper, small pieces of paper become. But paper remains paper only. There is no change, no new substance is formed. There is change only in the shape of the paper, size of the paper. Second is the freezing of water to ice. This we have discussed earlier. Third one is the breaking of a chalk stick. Chalk stick, a long stick you take, you can split up into two parts. After that, the chalk remains chalk. No new substance is formed. Dissolving salt or sugar in water. Salt or sugar we can dissolve in water. After some time, the salt or sugar, they completely dissolve in water. So this is a temporary change. The salt and sugar were already there in the water, only the foam has changed. Earlier you were able to see the sugar, you were able to see the salt which was present in water, but when you dissolved it, you are unable to see the salt or the water. नेक्स्ट वन इज स्ट्रेचिंग अ रबर बैंड. यू कैन स्ट्रेच अ रबर बैंड. आप उसे खींच सकते हैं. सो व्हेन यू स्ट्रेच अ रबर बैंड, इट बिकम्स एलोंगेटेड, लंबा हो जाता है, बट इट रिमेन्स रबर बैंड ओनली. व्हेन यू लीव इट, इट कम्स बैक टू इट्स ओरिजिनल पोजिशन. ड्राइंग ऑफ वेट क्लोथ्स. द क्लोथ्स व्हेन दे आर वेट, you keep them outside, they become dry after some time. But the clothes here, they remain the clothes only. Their form has not changed. Earlier they were wet clothes, now they are dry clothes, but the clothes are still clothes. So these are the examples of the physical changes. Now I would like to show you some examples. Here this is a piece of paper. So this is a piece of paper. If I tear it, okay, if I make small pieces of it, see here, this is one piece, this is second piece. So these are the pieces of the paper. Earlier it was a single paper, now it has been teared by me, it has been converted into small pieces. But this change is reversible. How? I can join these pieces of paper and these papers can become a single paper once again. So here the form of paper is changed. Earlier it was a big sized paper, now these are the small bits of paper. Second example you can see here of the chalk. If I see, if there is a piece of chalk and I break it up into two pieces, see here, now this chalk is broken into two pieces. Now the chalk remains chalk, only the form of the chalk is changed, only the size of the chalk is changed. So this is also a physical change. Now see, this is a rubber band. Now see, this is a rubber band. In this case, a rubber band, when it is stretched, if I stretch it out, it is elongated, it becomes this much long, and when I put it back, it becomes a small rubber band. So these are the physical changes. The physical changes are the changes which occur only in the size, shape, or any of the physical property of a substance. These changes are temporary, these changes are reversible, and the major important point here to notice that no new substances are formed. कोई भी नया substance नहीं बनता. मैंने पेपर को टीयर किया, फाड़ा, उसको टुकड़ों में कन्वर्ट कर दिया, फिर भी वो पेपर ही रहा. एक लंबा चॉक पीस लिया, उस चॉक पीस के आई हैड कन्वर्टेड इनटू स्मॉल बिट्स, पीसेस ऑफ चॉक. Even then the chalk remains chalk. A rubber band, it is stretched, its size is changed, लंबा हो गया वो, but even then it remains rubber only. So these are the physical changes, and physical changes are the temporary changes.